melawai.
Good evening. Welcome.
Secretary.
Welcome. So good to have you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, you know our ambassador.
Yes.
And our Assistant Secretary for Overseas.
How are you, sir? Thank you.
Right this way, sir. Please.
Thank you.
Follow me. Thank you. On it. Well, welcome. Mr. President, Mr. Secretary, we're going to take this elevator over here.
We are rapporteur from the National Security Cabinet.
Our Deputy Secretary.
Very good to see you.
Delegates, please have a seat. Thank you. Please, delegates.
Wonderful to have you in the United States. We're looking forward to this visit. And I just want to say at the outset.
What about Palestine? You think you can do something?
Yeah, we're working very hard on it. We're working very hard on that. Hopefully we're trying to get a better place to go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. It's good to see you.